set.
Go!
Go! John, you must swim, John. You must swim. Wow, that looks like a real ball and chain. Who won over there? I wasn't paying attention.
One of them. Andy won.
Andy won. Okay, Andy won that round. Okay, get on that side of the pool, you guys. Audrey, get on that side of the pool.
Emily, move, honey.
I'm tired.
Move on.
Let her get in the middle.
No.
No, you cheat.
He cheated. He picked up his dribble and ran. And I grabbed him.
I did not.
Okay, you guys all ready on the other side here? All right, are you guys ready? Here we go.
Yep.
On your mark. Get set. Go! Oh no, Andy, get your noodle on your arms, man. Get your noodle on your arms. We have a new winner. What is your name? Patty. Put your hands together for Patty, everybody. All right, you guys. Thanks for participating in our noodle race. All right, you guys, everybody knows this song. Let's get going.